Today we are talking about something super important, data execution prevention or DEP. Do you want your PC or server protected from hidden virus? Then this video is for you. Let's learn what DEP is, why it's important, and how to check if it's working. DEP is a security feature built into Windows. It stops malicious programs like virus or ransomware from running in memory areas where they shouldn't. This helps protect your system from attacks that can steal or damage your file. Without DEP, hackers can trick your computer into running code from bad memory areas. That means they can control your PC, damage your data, or install malware. DP acts like a security guard for your system memory. It checks what's allowed to run and block bad programs. Did you know your PC has a memory security guard? DEP is like a gatekeeper in your PC's memory. If a virus tries to run in the wrong place, it gets blocked immediately. Just like an airport security guard doesn't let someone into the pilot cabin, DEP doesn't let malware execute in restricted memory. How to check in DEP is enabled. Press Windows R, type CMD, press enter. In CMD, type this command. If the result is 2 or 3, DEP is enabled. If it's 0, DEP is off, not recommended. If DEP is off, don't worry, I will show you how to turn it on next. How to turn on DEP, open Start, search Advanced System Setting, go to Performance, click Setting, go to the Data Execution Prevention tab, choose Turn on DEP for Essential Windows Program and Service only or Turn on DEP for all programs and services. Then click Apply Restart your PC. This setting keeps your PC safe. I recommend using the second option for full protection. What happens if DEP is missing or off? If DEP is off or broken, your system is more open to malware, zero-day attack, and remote code execution. That's dangerous, especially for server or internet connected PC. Without DEP, inject code into memory like browser, PDF reader, etc. file. Trick the system into running that malicious code, then gain control, steal data, or install malware. Without DEP, Windows may accidentally run the bad code. When DEP is enabled, it marks memory areas where no program shouldn't run code, like data memory. If a virus trying to run from that protected area, DEP block it. Windows stop the program instantly before it can do damage. Example, a virus hide inside picture or PDF trying to run code. DEP says not allowed. PC stays safe. Where DEP work on Windows 10, 11 and all server version 12, 16, 19, 22 server. Help protect browser, office app, services and more. So now you know what DEP is, why it's important, how to check it and how to enable it. Your PCs or server will now be safer from memory based attack. Stay safe and stay smart.